Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to change your password in IMVU account. If you want to change your password for your IMVU account, then first of all open up your IMVU application on your mobile device. I'm asking you to open up the app in this case since I'm using mobile device myself, but you may also go to imvu.com on a web browser and sign in. Once you're logged in, go ahead and find your profile picture at the top right corner from your mobile interface, and then from the profile section, click on the gear button at the top right. This will open up the settings menu where you can choose the change password button. On the next page, type in your correct password in the first text box, and then on the next field, write down the new password you want to change to. Re-enter the new password in the last box, and finally click on change password. Soon after you do that, you will be able to change your password for your IMVU account. And that's it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.